Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening File Explorer with Windows +E so you don't waste time. Once it's open, click the View tab and choose Options on the right to open Folder Options. You need only standard user access for this preference. Admin rights are not required. This step exposes the setting that controls what File Explorer shows first, so make sure you're on the General tab before moving on. We'll change the default from Quick Access to this PC in the next step. Now you'll change the actual default. In the General tab, locate the drop-down labeled Open File Explorer to and select this PC. This forces File Explorer to open to your drives and folders instead of showing pinned or recent items. Once selected, click Apply so Windows registers the change, then OK to close the dialog. Make sure you don't just close the window, Apply commits the setting. This is the only supported built-in method in Windows 10 for changing the default Start view. Finish by testing. Close all File Explorer windows and open one again with Windows +E to confirm it opens to this PC. If it still opens to Quick Access, repeat the steps and ensure Apply was clicked. If the problem persists, restart the Explorer process in Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click, and restart, then test again. That restart clears sticky UI state. If none of that works, check for group policy or third-party utilities that might override this setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.